Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to blur background in Photoshop. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+J. Now go to the Quick Selection tool. Click on this select subject. It will automatically select the subject. Right-click on the image and choose Select Inverse. It will inverse the selection. Go to Filter, Blur, choose Lens Blur. Set the radius according to your image. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Now your background is blur. Here's the before and after. Thanks for watching. See you next time.